லாக் பண்ணிட்டு நான் வெளில இருக்கேன்.
ஆமாம் ஒரு 5 minutes முடிச்சிடுறோம். ஹாய் எவ்ரிபடி.
ஓகே.
Hello, how is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing fine at home. And are you guys working now or am I audible? I'm heard, right? Just message if I'm audible. I'm heard, right? Bona the pulse and phone panni. Am I audible in kela? I'm audible, right? Yep. Okay. I'm audible. If there's anything, just let me know because I'm not very sure if I'll be like, somehow something happens if I'm not audible. Okay, you are audible. Okay, that's really nice. Hi, so we'll start with today's topic, which is on Masne. Masne, it is started off as a new terminology itself. பழைய இடத்துல acne mechanica போடுவோம். But இப்போ maskne or because of the COVID time, because of the using of the mask and the related skin issues, maskne or புது terminology வந்திருக்கு. So what is maskne? All about it. நான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு brief introduction கொடுக்க போறேன். After that we shall I'll answer some questions and then we can wrap it up. Okay, so shoot out, we'll start out. Okay, so here ipo na ungalku or PPT idu just I just so we have or just a brief PPT தான் நான் படிக்க போறேன் நான். Okay, so இது ஒரு ப்ரீ PPT படிக்க போகிறேன். ஸோ ways to prevent mask related skin problems. Okay, so first important இதில் பார்க்குறேன். Okay, so the first important point okay, so the first important point cleanse and moisturize your face daily. So gentle skincare can prevent skin problems when washing your face using a mild and fragrance-free cleanser. So நம்ம usually 3 important things ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். One is cleansing, one is toning and one is moisturizing. Cleansing is something which you can use a single or a double cleansing. So single cleansing na just you use plain water to wash your dirt. Just one second. So for simple cleansing now, first what you do is you need to just wash with water and that's fine. Double cleansing enna pannona, you need to use a particular cleanser with the correct pH of 4.5 to 6. Ideally that's the pH of the skin. So adu enna pannona, first just one second. இது flight mode la போய்ட்டுமா?
இல்ல உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிட்டா.
Okay, and then so then what we do is then you can use the cleanser. I'm sorry for the disturbance, something is coming on the screen. So then we use the cleanser. So when you use the cleanser, it kind of removes the dirt from the skin and then the water kind of removes it. So adudha it is called as double cleansing. So other most important aspect of this, so we should always use a cleanser. Then toner எல்லா ஸ்கின்னுக்கும் வேண்டாம், பிகாஸ் சில பேருக்கு கொஞ்சம் இரிட்டேட்டட் ஸ்கின் இருக்கலாம், சில பேருக்கு டேண்ட்ரஃப் வரக்கூடிய ஸ்கின் இருக்கலாம், சில பேருக்கு இட் கேன் பி அ வெரி வெரி ட்ரை ஸ்கின். ஸோ everybody doesn't need to use a toner. Moisturizer இப்போ how do you choose a moisturizer? Moisturizer best acne prone, non acne prone. இப்போ acne prone skinna you should use a moisturizer which is gel based, because it acne increase agadu. If you have a dry skin, then you use a moisturizer which is nice matte finish or a lotion based. Is everybody able to hear me? Can you just message yes? Can anybody message me if they're able to hear me? Because I put my thing on. Can everybody hear me? Okay, fine. So then we start off with so we have to apply a moisturizer immediately after washing your face. To get the benefit of a moisturizer, then you have the following ingredients which are required. Okay, so what are the ingredients in the moisturizer which keeps the hydration intact? First is ceramides, then you have hyaluronic acid, then you have dimethicone which can create a barrier that helps reduce irritated skin. So dimethicone it's like a barrier cream. இப்போ நம்ம வெளியில இருக்கிற the pollutants or the kind of harmful UV rays, it basically acts as a skin barrier and doesn't affect that to come onto the skin. It acts as an extended sunscreen primary. So that is something which is important. You keep all your questions. Okay, I will answer each and every question. Okay, then you can prevent breakouts from your moisturizer by using moisturizer of the type which you like, which is going to be number oily skin. Now it is in the base gel based sunscreen, and if it is in the night, it is going to be a matte or a lotion based sunscreen. Okay, so oily skin, whether it's hot and humid, then normal and combination skin is a lotion, and dry to very dry skin, I told you, is a cream. So gel is always for oily skin, a cream is always for a dry skin, and normal to combination skin is a lotion. Now if you have acne or tend to break out, you can still use a gel moisturizer. So most important thing is use a moisturizer. Now I have an acne prone skin, I won't use a moisturizer. You have to always use a moisturizer. So the three things which is very very important is cleansing, toning, moisturizing. Toning தேவை இல்லை, moisturizer மட்டும். Okay, moisturizer மட்டும். So cleansing and moisturizer மட்டும். Okay, இது ரெண்டுமே டெஃபினட்டாக நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணியே ஆகணும், especially during this time. Second, sunscreen gel based for an acne prone skin, matte or a cream based for a dry skin. So this is what the two golden points I wanted to tell you. Okay, next, so protect your lips, very important. So நம்ம face பற்றி பேசியாச்சு. Now next we move on to our lips. So protect your lips by applying a petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is the most easiestly available moisturizing lotion, but not just any petroleum jelly kuda illana Vaseline is good enough, or many other normal creams are also very very good enough. Okay, so dry and skin and chapped lips are common face mask problems. You can prevent the chapped lips by applying petroleum jelly after washing your face well, before you put your mask, okay, and before going to bed. To prevent breakouts, take care of the petroleum jelly onto your lips. So you should apply it especially in the angles of the mouth. Okay, angles of the mouth and the angles of the eye, because those areas get irritated more. So you should apply adequate amount of petroleum jelly. Then most important is in the time very very important. If nobody is around me, so I'm not using a mask and I've put on like my gloss and everything, but otherwise skip the makeup while using mask, because then obviously one theriyadu, second you're causing more of occlusion, because நம்ம ஃப்ரீயாக விட்டால் it's okay, but you are causing a lot of occlusion when you're wearing a mask as well. So skip the makeup while wearing the mask. So beneath the mask, makeup is what does it do? It basically clogs your pores. So it's not going to allow your skin to breathe and allow the oil secretion to come out normally and to have a normal oily skin. So it will try and clog the pores further. So already the pores are clogged, it's going to clog the pores further. Okay, so and then it will lead to breakouts. So rendu thing vishayam neenga important, and do not apply oil inge especially, and inge please do not apply oil, because oil will further clog the pores and it's going to cause further acne. So two things: do not apply makeup, and please do not apply oil. Avoid trying any new skincare products also which can irritate your skin, such as any harsh products, chemical peel exfoliation. First time நீங்கள் ஏதாவது peel home peel ட்ரை பண்ணுறீங்க இல்லைனா யூ ஆர் ட்ரைங் எனி சார்ட் ஆஃப் அ காம்பினேஷன் க்ரீம்னா இப்போது திஸ் இஸ் நாட் த ரைட் டைம். Always try and do a small patch test here. See it for about 2 or 3 days how it is, and then start taking the adequate or the proper treatment. Now use of certain skin products, and if it becomes even already you would have taken peels earlier from me myself. Now doctor you would have taken chemical peels, you would have done some carbon laser peel or anything. Now at that point of time what you should do is salicylic acid is very good. இப்போ இருக்கிற பெஸ்ட் ரெஜிமென் நான் எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்கிறது என்னென்னா வாரத்தில் 2 நாளைக்கு ரெட்டனால் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எஸ்பெஷலி மென் வீக்லி ட்வைஸ் எனி ரெட்டனால் பேஸ்ட் க்ரீம், மிக்ஸ் இட் வித் அ நைஸ் மாய்ஸ்சரைசர், அப்ளை இட் ஆல் ஓவர் த ஃபேஸ் அண்ட் வாஷ் யுவர் ஃபேஸ் இன் த மார்னிங். வாரத்தில் 2 நாள் பண்ணால் போகிறோம். யுவர் ஃபேஸ் வில் ரியலி க்ளோ வெல். It will have a very very good skin texture and it will really look good. I mean I tried this actually in these 2 weeks and really my skin has become very soft and supple. Skin texture ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. So weekly twice use retinol and salicylic acid வந்து peels you can use, you can just get with the doctor and do it. Don't do it yourself at home. But retinol creams you can use by yourself. Okay, so ஒரு சின்ன இடத்துல போட்டுட்டு if you are not having any allergy you can apply it over the face, plain retinol with a moisturizer or with a sunscreen, and your morning you can wash it. Use it only in the night. Please do not use it in the morning. Okay, and wear the right mask. That's very very important. To reduce skin problems you need to use and wash your masks. If it's a cloth mask, நீங்கள் இந்த double layered masks na that's fine. Please use a double layer. N95 is nothing much to say. Wear a good fitting mask. That's all I would say. Shaving is another thing which I think a lot of people are asking me about shaving. Shaving enna you do it only in one direction. Don't reverse shave because folliculitis varum. As it is you're sweating more, you have more retention of sweat, so you tend to have the bacterial infection called as folliculitis. Tiny red spots will start appearing on your face. So please do not reverse shave பண்ணாதீங்க. Just one side shave பண்ணுங்க, or best is to trim. Trimming is the best. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து take a 15-minute mask break every or 4 hours. அது ஆக்சுவலாக நம்ம டாக்டர்ஸ் தான் நிறைய சொல்லணும் because we are sitting in for like 6 to 8 hours continuously. But every 15-20 minutes எங்கேயாவது தனி ரூமுக்கு போயிட்டு just just let your face breathe. Just wash your face a bit every 2 hours once. That really helps. And of all the healthcare workers and all. And safe places to remove your mask is obviously outdoors. You can 6 feet away from the people, inside your car when you're alone, inside probably the clinic when you're alone, or at home in a particular place when you're alone. Okay, so that is very very important. Wash your cloth mask, very very important. You cannot like or maximum about 5 to 6 days avladha. That is also very very greatly not used mask, but otherwise every day please wash your mask. Okay, and because you will definitely prevent all sorts of infections like fungal infection, bacterial infection, any infection because of the sweating, it will definitely prevent that. Okay, so following you can wash the cloth mask in washing machine both ways to basically remove the germs and other particles. Just be sure following the instructions of each mask. Wash the mask in hot water unless otherwise. Use a fragrance free hypoallergic laundry detergent as well, very very important. And you always have to follow what the doctor says. So if you come with mask problem, acne which is there in the jawline, so hormonal irregularities பார்க்கணும், hormonal check பண்ணணும். Second வந்து ஏதாவது hormone tablets போடுறீங்களான்னு பார்க்கணும். So அதை தாண்டி ஏதாவது வந்து we will give you certain creams, we will give you certain face washes. Please use only that and at the correct time and the correct place. Okay, do not overuse it. Please visit your doctor and get the proper treatment and follow. You will just get rid of this problem. There will be no marks kuda varadu, so it will be that superb. Okay, so this was all about mask. So what I would say is, first cleanse well, toner depends, moisturize well, gel based with a sunscreen for acne prone skin, matte or cream for a normal skin. Next வந்து please use either one N95 or double fabric mask or cloth mask na wash it every single day. Third வந்து you do not reverse shave only in one direction to prevent folliculitis. ஸ்வெட்டிங் மேலே ஃபங்கஸ் ஜாஸ்தியாகுது, ஒயிட் ஸ்பாட்ஸ் வருது. ஒயிட் ஸ்பாட்ஸ் வந்துட்டு பயப்பட வேண்டாம், அது ஃபங்கஸோட எலிமெண்ட் தான். அது ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் பண்ணால் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக இது போயிடும். ஸோ அதுக்காக ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இங்கே இருக்க பிம்பிள்ஸ் ஆர் த ஸ்பாட்ஸ் ஆர் த பிக்மெண்டேஷன் ஆர் த ஃபங்கஸ் எல்லாமே இஸ் ட்ரீட்டபிள் கம்ப்ளீட்லி. டூ நாட் வரி அபவுட் இட் அட் ஆல். அண்ட் 15 minute பிரேக் எடுங்க. எவ்ரி 15 to 20 minutes இப்போ நீங்கள் தனியாக இருந்தீங்கன்னா just remove your mask for some time and then wear it on. You don't have to wear it completely. And உங்களுக்கு என்ன கரெக்டாக what fits you well, wear that. What fits you well, wear that. Okay, that is very important. So yes, now we move on to some questions which everybody has asked. Ma'am, I'm getting grey hair, how do I control? So grey hair வந்து premature canetis. We give 5% melatonin lotion overnight application for about 3 months and calcium pantothenate 200 mg twice daily for about 3 months. நீங்கள் வாங்க, நான் உங்களுக்கு ப்ரிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் எழுதி கொடுத்துட்றேன். You will be fine, definitely. Some good sunscreen, face wash and moisturizer for combination skin. Combination skinக்கு பெஸ்ட் sunscreen வந்து நிறைய அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது. குட் ஸ்டேபிள் மாலிக்யூல்ஸ்லாம் நிறைய அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது. பட் இட் டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் த ஃபேஸ் வாஷ் வந்து ஆல்சோ காம்பினேஷன்ஸ். ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன ஃபேஸ் வாஷ்னால் கிளைகாலிக், லாக்டிக், மேண்டலிக் ஆர் கோஜிக், இது ரெண்டுமே இந்த 4 காம்பினேஷனில் இந்த காம்பினேஷன் வேணால் நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். சன்ஸ்க்ரீன் வந்து நிறைய இருக்குப்பா. ஐ மீன் ஐ டோன்ட் கிவ் நேம்ஸ், பட் உங்கள் கம்பெனி லைக் மற்ற கம்பெனிஸ்லேயும் நிறைய சன்ஸ்க்ரீன்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஜெல் பேஸ் சன்ஸ்க்ரீன் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் குட். அண்ட் மாய்ஸ்சரைசர் தனியாக போடவே வேண்டாம், சன்ஸ்க்ரீன்லேயே மாய்ஸ்சரைசர் இருக்குது. ஸோ நீங்கள் அதிலே யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Then SPF. So which SPF is perfect? Oily skin வந்து SPF of 30 is better. 50 வந்து goes more in for like a drier skin அந்த மாதிரி. So SPF of 30 is good enough. It protects you 93% from the UV radiation. So that is also good enough. Post acne scar formation is a total different topic. Acne scar prevent பண்ணுறதுக்கு வந்து we need to give you isotretinoin oral and topical antibiotics and creams. But acne scar வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் then we'll have to do a procedure called as micro needling, radio frequency, or we do laser resurfacing with VMAG, or we do any sort of, if it's really required, then non-ablative procedures. But அந்த procedure தான் பண்ணணும். So topical creams will help about 20 to 30%. But procedures like subcision and doing all these kind of other laser procedures only will hit the collagen down and then cause the collagen to paralyze and become normal and get repaired and work well. So this is like a huge process. So we need to do a lot of things like that. Okay. Age limits for retinol. Very nice question. Age limit for retinol வந்து depends upon the kind of acne you have. So we start off even with a very low dose for 12 and 13-year-olds. Ideally it is above 16 to 17 years. But if patients have got very severe acne, 12 or 13 years, also we start a low dose. Absolutely retinol is contraindicated in pregnancy. Pregnancy la podave kudadu, topical seri, systemic oral therapy podave kudadu. But post pregnancy, once you're finished, then you can start off with retinol. Can use retinol creams? Yes, definitely. That is, if you are a normal, like as in you don't have to take oral, you can take the retinoid creams. You can apply even when you're 13 and 14 years. That's fine. Cream is okay. Absorption is a lot less than oral tablets. Yes. I'm happy a lot of people asking me a lot of questions actually. What to do? 1 minute. Hair fall is more for me. Which oil? Oil வந்து X Grow hair oil ஒன்று இருக்குது. Then you have New Grow hair oil. That is also very good. Mr. Nivethan asked. So these two are very very good. You have a lot of hair serums which are available. If non-minoxidil use பண்ணோன்னா you can use those serums. And please take the hair supplement. நீங்கள் 3 months கேனா post COVID or post stress or viral infection in the first next 3 months people will have a lot of hair fall. So yaar vandalume clinic we are giving them a good hair supplement. So please start off with your hair supplements also. Okay. I have very thin hair. I think you should get your hair evaluated if you have very thin hair since the last 5 years. What should I do? What should I do is for the last 5 years you please come and you know my clinic, you know I will message you my Instagram ID and my Facebook ID. You can DM me in my Instagram and I send pictures and I will get back to you. Now உங்களுக்கு வந்து I will just message you 1 minute my Instagram ID, so it's easier. So you please add me. Sorry, that was a wrong one. Sorry, that was a wrong one. Oh no, that was a wrong one. Okay. Delete. I'll write the right one. 1 second. It's just Dr. Gayatri Rajesh. Okay. So this is like my 1 sec. This is the Insta handle. So enna nariya I put in a lot of yeah, so this is the right one. You please follow me because I put a lot of videos, a lot of product lists, a lot of latest things which are happening in derm. I try to at least try and find time and put. So you can, all of you all, please follow me on the Instagram handle, and this is my ID Gayatri Rajesh for Facebook as well as for YouTube, so you can see all the videos and everything. Okay, one more question is sorry, I just went. Can use retinoid cream long term retinoid cream? Illappa, no, not long term, but for a short amount of time to get the correct kind of texture to prevent acne, yes. And not for a very long time. You have to consult a doctor and then we can just see what to do. Which is the best for us skin, ma'am, soap or face wash? I would feel face wash is better because soap is a little more light. Soap is basically what pH of our skin is 4.5 to 6. Okay, so the soap is more alkali. Okay, so or acid alkali complex or salt form agudhu. So the face wash la irukadu. Face wash is just something which completely clogs you off the pores and all. So the soap mechanism is totally different. So I would basically prefer face washes to soaps any day. Okay, adu onnu. Just 1 sec. Then okay, there's one more question. I have severe hair fall from the roots. Yeah, from the roots na neenga paakano if you have thyroid or if you have any iron problem, you have any nutritional deficiency. Apro most important வந்து hair thinning ஆகுதா இல்லையான்னு பார்க்கணும். hair வந்து if it starts just falling, it's okay, but if hair வந்து thin ஆயிட்டு if it's falling, then you'll have to see what it is, because hair thinning and decrease in density is a sign of androgenetic alopecia, pattern baldness னு சொல்லுவோம், which can be reversible. நான் baldness சொல்லிட்டேன், அதுக்குன்னு யாரும் இது பண்ண வேண்டாம். It can be reversed. So the thinning வந்து if it's just the thick முடி thin ஆயிட்டு fall ஆகுதுன்னா, we will have to necessarily start you on a particular tablet and a particular regimen. But hair வந்து அப்படியே break out ஆகுதுன்னா, that we'll have to do your thyroid profile, we'll have to do your iron values, and we'll have to see what it is. Treatment was there, obviously. Please come to clinic, we can really do a good job for you. And we also have this therapy called as platelet rich plasma, which is your PRP therapy, where we take blood, உங்கள் blood எடுத்துட்டு centrifuge பண்ணிவிட்டு அதில் plateletsன்ட்டு ஒரு concentration பண்ணி we'll remove it into another container and take it out and inject it onto the scalp. It is not painful. First 2 times it will be slightly painful, but after that you'll be okay. We'll give you a numbing cream and then we'll inject it. Sulfate or sulfate free face wash. Sulfate free shampoos நான் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். Face washes no need to use sulfate. I don't think there are any sulfate free face washes. If there are some, just please let me know. But I know about the shampoos for sure. The sulfate free shampoos are better. See, it's not that you don't have to use sulfate. Sulfate does help in some points. So what I would say is sulfate shampoos twice a week. Sulfate free shampoos twice a week you can use. Not a problem. Face wash, just let me know. Vishant Chaman, please let me know. I'm not very aware of any face washes with sulfates in them actually. Maybe a very small quantity, but not as much as the shampoos. And I'm happy with the participation actually as compared to other Facebook things. Ma'am, hair fall is oil, and what is it? I think I have answered most of your questions. Grey hair, sunscreens. Yeah, one more question on which is the perfect sunscreen for oily skin. Yeah, again I said, so the perfect sunscreen is any gel-based sunscreen. Excessive sweating out there, excessive water. Gel-based sunscreen is the best. Just tap it dry a bit. You can just apply a bit of water, just a bit of moisturizer, and you're really good to go. You don't have to worry about anything else. Matte or a cream based for a combination of your dry skin. So yes, I think so. Like anything else? I think I spoke quite a bit. I think it's been quite long. I think anything else? Okay, so I think then we can wind up the session. And so the points, just 5 points I want to just summarize before we go. So jaw acne is something which is very common. Jaw acne is different from maskne. Maskne is because of the mask and the fabric which you're applying. Jaw acne is more of hormonal related acne, the treatment is totally different. So since we spoke about maskne today, the 5 golden things what you should remember is 1, cleanse, tone, moisturize. Cleanse very well, do double cleansing, first cleansing with a cleanser and then with water, then you moisturize. Gel based sunscreen best for an oily skin, cream or a lotion base for a dry and a combination skin. Second is going to be face washes containing glycolic or kojic and lactic combinations. Don't use anything new because that's something which you are not used to. The third thing is when you're occluding your the mask, you're tending to have more amount of infections like folliculitis, fungal infections, or even viral infections. So what you should do is give a 15-minute break. So if you're not using a mask, you're alone in a room, you're alone in your clinic, you're alone anywhere, please open your mask, just put a little bit of water and then just dab it dry so you prevent any sort of infection because of the sweat. The fourth thing is please avoid makeup because it's going to clog your pores more. It's going to add on to the thickness which is already you're applying with the lotions and with the creams, so it's going to clog your pores further. Avoid oil application also, because it can cause acne breakouts. Then the fifth point is please change your cloth masks every day, N95s at least 3 or 4 days once, and double mask at least 2 days once. Okay, and the fourth thing is you can use a powder on top before applying the face mask, and petroleum jelly for your lips. Very important, don't forget the lips. Petroleum jelly for the lips, the lip ends and the lips. Okay, and over the eye end. And go to a dermatologist, and if you really have spots and I think they could recommend a peel, they could recommend some other creams, or you really require a short course of antibiotics, you should take it and you're all set to go. So I think it was very helpful. Wash your hair regularly thrice. If you have oily hair or greasy hair, please wash your hair weekly thrice with an anti-dandruff shampoo containing ketoconazole. If it's a little bit more salicylic acid and coal tar based, but wash your hair weekly thrice. Scalp root 10 minutes and then wash. And normal people can just wash their hair weekly thrice normally, but with dandruff use an anti-dandruff shampoo because then the greasiness will not go otherwise. And you use please ketoconazole based soaps at least daily once, so that it doesn't allow the fungus to grow. So daily once. And last thing is the shaving part. Do only one side shaving. Please do not reverse shave because then it can lead to some sort of infections also. So I hope that all these points was very, very useful. And bye everybody, and take care. Please stay at home, please stay safe, and give me a call if there is any sort of issue or any sort of query, and you're more than welcome to come to clinic. I open my clinic in Tonderpet on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I sit in Tenampet on Thursday, Saturdays, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturdays. Rest of the days morning I work in SRMC, so I'm pretty sure all of you know that. So ma'am, can I use cyclopyroxazolamine? Yeah, sure, definitely. It's one of the best. Zinc Biothion's Cyclopyroxanamine is one of the best anti-dandruff shampoos to use weekly thrice. Awesome, you could use it. Along with 1 course of fluconazole, but that I really wish I do not want to tell about the oral product list in this thing. Please, you can use it. Okay, definitely. Alright, okay, chalo, I will sign off now. Bye, take care. Okay.